Intelligent kiddos, happy kids, happy learning.
Hello my dear intelligent kiddos, welcome back to the channel. My dear kids, we have already seen the CVC words of letter A. Now we will see CVC words of letter E. B, E, D, bed, R, E, D, red, N, E, T, net, P, A, T, pet, L, E, G, leg, T, E, N, ten, P, E, N, pen, H, E, N, hen, D, E, N, den, J, E, T, jet, Y, E, N, yen, M, E, N, men, V, E, B, web, P, E, G, peg, V, E, T, wet, Z, E, D, Z, F, E, D, fed, K, E, G, keg, B, E, G, beg, B, E, T, bet. My dear kids, with the help of phonic sounds, we have read 3-letter words. Kids, if you like this video, then please share with your friends and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.